you guys ready for the workshop? Can you guys go louder for the video? One more time. Alright, without further ado, Mr. Brian Pereira.
Hi guys.
Next up, let's welcome Miss Shuan.
Hello guys, my name is Jensen. You use operators and not use operators.
Hello, my name is Petra. For news, you see things like the news intro coming like and then the TV done, right? We will have
you cannot really see because there's sugar paper on it, but if you look up there, there's
So our surprise speaker is the director of this show, the man that created this show. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome